Troubleshooting the Braun wheelchair lift. Introduction and familiarization of the major components and associated nomenclature. More introduction, familiarization, and location of the microswitches and roll stops. The microswitch location is important, as you will see later in the diagnostic menus. As part of your PMI services, it's important that you lubricate the wheelchair to keep it operating smoothly and properly. Getting started. Verify that the parking brake is applied. Press down the master switch to the ignition position. You can operate the lift with or without the engine running. Turn on the wheelchair power switch and verify that the wheelchair icon is visible on the dash display. After verification of the wheelchair icon on the dash display, slide open the upper and lower wheelchair access doors. After the doors are open, verify your flashers are on and the threshold lights are on. The beeper will not sound unless the threshold sensor is activated. The threshold sensor is similar to a motion sensor. It only activates if an object or someone is standing in the wheelchair doorway. Once the sensor is activated, the beeper will sound and the red light shown in the picture will begin to flash. After the doors are open and all other preconditions have been met, follow the instructions listed on the sticker located inside the wheelchair door to operate the lift. If the lift does not operate, you'll need to manually extend it. Follow the instructions listed on the sticker that's located in the wheelchair area. The wheelchair will need to be extended all the way out to access the diagnostic board and pump motor. Once the wheelchair is fully extended, remove the black cover that covers the module and the pump at the bottom of the lower compartment. Check your LCD display on the module to see if there's any numbers or lights on. If not, start by checking power at the large red cable shown. This power comes from fuse Z05, and if there is no power present, refer to the proper wiring schematic for the location of this fuse. Also, at the bottom left-hand corner, there is a 30 amp and a 2 amp fuse. You'll need to inspect these as well to make sure they're not blown. The main ground stud is located in the upper left-hand corner of the lower compartment, as shown in the picture. When you first look at the LCD, you should see two sets of numbers. The first will be the service cycles, and the second will be the total cycles. The service cycles are resettable when you press the cycle button below the LCD. This is how you can keep track of the maintenance schedule of 750 cycles. Just below the LCD screen is a button listed as Diag. By pressing this button, the controller will display the trouble codes. Refer to the Braun Troubleshooting Manual to diagnose these codes. Verify the orange jumper is in place. If the board has been replaced, the new board does not come with a jumper wire, and you'll need to transfer this jumper wire over from the old board. Shown in the picture on the LCD board are the service cycles and total cycles. After you retrieve the codes, you'll need to refer to the Braun Troubleshooting Manual for pinpoint tests and instructions. You can either download the manual at the website listed below for Braun, or you can contact ABC Technical Support and we can email you the manual. And finally, you can call Braun Technical Support at 1-800-THE-LIFT. For any questions regarding this webcast or for other technical support needs, please contact us at 877-427-7278.